Okay, so we have another problem here. Fix names in a table, which is an easy problem. So we have the table users, which has two columns, user ID and name. We need to write a solution to fix the names so that only the first character is uppercase and rest are lowercase. And return the result table ordered by the user ID. So we have name here. A is lower, L is upper, and ICE is lower. B is lower, and OB is upper. We want only the first character from the name to be upper and rest of the characters to be lower. So what we can do here, we can simply select user ID, comma. We can use the left keyword here, which is a function which is used to extract the leftmost character from a column. So we can pass the name column here and select only the first character as L, comma, and again use substr function here, which will also take the name and it will take the position from which we are going to extract the characters. So if we pass 2 here, it will simply extract all the characters from the position 2, okay, as sub from users order by user ID. Okay, so we have our leftmost character and remaining characters. Now what we need to do is simply make sure that the left character is uppercase and rest of the characters in lowercase. Now we need to simply concat both the columns L and sub into one single column and name it as name. So we have written our query. Let's see what we are getting now. As you can see, the answer is correct. Let's submit it. So the solution is accepted.